How can I be profitable trading Forex? Today I'm going to show you how you can be profitable trading Forex systemically right from my screen here, and you see it accordingly. The first thing you are going to do is make sure you stick to one particular pair, at most 2 pairs. Trying to trade all pairs is just distraction. Better you stick to 1 pair or at most 2 pairs. Yes, now after you've chosen the particular pair you want to trade, like you pick one particular pair you want to trade, then you can now move further to running a top-down analysis. What is top-down analysis? This is what you are going to look out for before you execute a trade. The first thing you are going to do there is that first look at your technical analysis, and I do that using TradingView, and this is my TradingView here, and I am trading gold. So you do that using your TradingView. You look out for structure. If you are via high, lower, low, things like that, structure majorly is what technical analysis deals with. And if after you finish your technical analysis, you look for fundamental analysis. And how do you get that? Just go to your Forex factory. You are going to see the calendars there. The major impact, the high impact news you'll be seeing there is USD. You see, like we have today here, I have the high impact news already outdated, already highlighted here. Now the next thing I look out for is I go to Forex Live. When I get to Forex Live, you see all news there that can interfere with your trade. So when you pick a particular pair, you watch out for news that can interfere with them. So I go back to my TradingView and I make my clear move on that. And after that, the next thing I do is I know my risk to reward ratio. Now if I need to show you that here, my risk to reward ratio. Let's say now I'm shorting gold. Now I enter here to short gold. Now if I enter here to short gold, all I need to do is make sure I enter here to short gold. All I need to do is determine my stop loss before I execute the trade. So all I will just do here is this, then all is all set for you. Just put your stop loss, put your take profit, and you leave it. But remember, your TradingView is not for execution, it's just for analysis. So you go back to your broker platform to go and execute. Then you move to the next thing you need to do, which is execute. The next thing you should make sure you do is that after analyzing your trade, you must understand your risk to reward ratio, such that you know how much you want to risk, the number of pips on each trade, such that you won't execute a trade and start thinking, how much will I risk now? Will I draw my stop loss down? Will I shift my TP? Will I do this or that? Better you know all that before you execute your trade. As you are executing the trade, you set your TP, you set your stop loss. The next thing you should do after that is you should avoid fear of missing out trade. That is really a very big problem, such that you know the level at which you want to buy or you want to sell. And when your price gets to that level, instead of you executing it, executing either your buy or your sell, you are still analyzing. And if you keep analyzing that way, analysis will end up paralyzing you. So that is what one of my posts will always say. Analysis will lead to paralysis. So make sure you don't allow that to happen to you, such that you will not just analyze the trade and it will go, leaving you behind. You jump into it in the middle, it comes back, take you out, and you lose your money. So the next thing you should also know is that you ensure you manage your trade well. How do you do that? When you execute your trade, price just moved in just 1 pip or 10 pips, you quickly click close. Allow it to run. Don't be seeing the equivalent dollar to naira value for you to quickly close your trade. Instead, allow it to run, set your stop loss, set your take profit, and allow the trade to run. And when you allow it to run, it gives you a better risk to reward ratio, such that you can be risking just $30 for $200. Imagine that gap. But when you just see a profit of $10, you quickly close, because what is in your head is the exchange rate. So when you put all these things together, it gives you a very good reward, such that your trading will be profitable every time you trade. Cheers and God bless. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share.